Hello. How are you? Acha, so we're gonna do Would You Rather in this segment. And I have some questions.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you guys. किसी ने फजूल बोरिंग जवाब दिया ना, मेरा मुंह तोड़ देना. मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो कि why are you choosing. So I was asking, would you rather have unlimited time or unlimited money?
Unlimited money, of course.
चाहे 2 दिन हो तेरे पास.
Same.
Guys, you guys are really materialistic.
What do I have to do with time? पहले कहाँ आई हूँ मैं, उठाओ मुझे.
100 साल की जिंदगी है और खाने को कुछ ना हो, क्या फायदा इससे 2 दिन की जिंदगी में.
मतलब it's not like you wouldn't have anything, you would have like middle class type scene, लेकिन no
मिडिल क्लास में भी
मैं भी unlimited money choose करूँगी because it's like even if I have 2 days at least I live to my fullest, you know?
हाँ, I'll fulfill my all wishes in 2 days rather than अच्छा ये कब करेंगे.
But I feel like अगर मुझे पता होगा 2 दिन रहते हैं फिर तो मैं जाए नमाज पे ही हूँ पूरा टाइम. मुझे नहीं चाहिए पैसा,
लेकिन मतलब
पैसे से क्या भी जाए नमाज.
फर्म जन्नती है, प्लेटफॉर्म जन्नती है, फर्म जन्नती है, प्लेटफॉर्म जन्नती.
तब
पैसे को यूज करेंगे
यार. नहीं, I get it.
This is a question जब मैं नई शिफ्ट हुई थी. I had this question. Would I have a personal chef or a personal driver?
personal chef.
I think I could learn how to drive, but cooking takes a lot of effort.
I went with the chef.
Yeah.
Would you rather be able to prevent a natural disaster that would kill thousands of people but sacrifice your loved one, or kill thousands of people but save your loved one?
But that's so romantic, you know. So thousands of people need to die for me to be romantic with my husband. So fuck you, guys.
Same.
I'm saving him.
Die you all.
We don't care about you.
I would save mine.
That is so selfish, but then again, guys, romanticism समझ रहे हैं आप? आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा. पसंदीदा कोई आपके लिए ऐसा करेगा.
You guys remember वो नोरा वाली स्टोरी वो जो फर्स्ट ईयर में होती थी कि she had a button she had to press it और कोई
button
someone in the world would die.
Yeah.
She doesn't know and she would get money. I would fucking press that on 1 second.
But then her husband died.
bro.
I don't care. मतलब as a देखो, think of the question. When she knew this, she didn't know that her husband would die. She was just told that anyone in the world would die. So my teacher asked that if you were told the exact same thing, and someone come up with a box and say that this is the button, you have to press it, you get $1 million, and someone in the world would die, you don't know. I would press it. You guys would press it.
I think it's about the fact that in her statement it's clear that my loved one would die. So for to save him, I would kill one, क्या thousands. ठीक है?
इसे वैसे मुझे नोरा वाला याद आया because you know.
But Nora वाले में it was like you didn't know your loved
कोई
one
भी
would die. So if it's anyone else and you're getting money, यार पता नहीं है.
उसमें थोड़ा सा difficult है लेकिन
Because
इसमें
money
clear
is
है.
involved, you know.
हाँ.
It's not in the name of love or something. It's just being materialistic actually. तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. अच्छा, would you rather always have to tell the truth or always lie? कि मतलब somehow you would कि जो भी तुम बोलो वो सच निकले, is that what you would prefer, या जो भी तुम बोलो वो झूठ निकले, that's what you prefer?
That's a very good question.
है ना?
सच निकले. Truth.
झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहते.
But always a lie is, I know.
हाँ.
मतलब
हाँ, even when you're trying to say the truth, you lie.
That's bad.
But
बाद में जाके
then why do you lie in real life, bitches?
I mean sometimes it's needed but not
we don't
like
lie all the time obviously. तो
ठीक है, same वैसे.
अच्छा ना हमें जज करके
हाँ जज करके ना पूरी आई देंगे.
सेम. हाँ.
Okay, would you rather go to the past or future?
None. I'm good. I'm good. Fuck the past. Fuck the future. मेरे को ना जानना है, मेरे को ना याद करना है.
So I'll go in the past. Not like
I would never.
नहीं not like कि मैं जाके कुछ ठीक करूँ या कुछ भी बस.
I had just very
Few
you know
moments.
wish कि काश मैं past में जाऊँ and I would fix my mistakes, but I thought कि it was a lesson.
No.
It doesn't need to be you know.
I won't
redone.
fix my mistakes.
I won't be here if I remove that part of my life. So
नहीं, I'll
Just
just
let it be.
I just want to feel
And I want
some
to go in
few
future
moments
either, मतलब
again.
क्या ही देखना है आपने, क्या करना है फ्यूचर में जाके.
हाँ, जो होना
Future
होगा हो
तो
जाएगा.
not interested at all. I mean depression.
Would you rather be able to know the exact time of your death or how you gonna die?
Oh my god. I think how I'm gonna die.
We have watched hundreds of movies on it. Okay, the person sees ke how he's gonna die, and then he tries to prevent it, but no matter what he does, he dies with the exact.
I'll go with
But
the
if
time.
you know कि भाई मैंने इस time पे मरना है, तो you would live in fear. मतलब you would be like
नहीं,
यार it's
नहीं.
20
I
days
think
left,
I'll-
30
I
days
would go
left.
with
If
time.
there are 20 days left, so I'll do
I
all
would
the
enjoy
things
that
that I
day.
want to do.
I wouldn't
हाँ.
be like, मतलब imagine if I get to know कि I'm gonna die in a blast.
और
मुझे
कल
पता
blast
चल
हो
जाता
जाए.
है. I wouldn't go anywhere के मैं मर जाऊंगी blast.
किसी क्राउड
Yeah.
में नहीं जाऊंगी
हाँ.
या घर में हो सकता है
Or
blast
if I know
obviously.
कि I would die in an accident, I would never go anywhere. कि पता नहीं.
But if you would know the exact date, it's like चलो तब तो मरना ही मरना है तो सब कुछ करें.
हाँ,
हाँ,
when
और
you
तब
know
तक
the
सब
time-
कुछ
Okay.
कर लें.
You
You
guys
can live your
convinced
life.
me. You're right.
You can
I
live
would
your life
also
at
choose
fullest.
that. Would you rather never be able to speak again or always say the thing that is on your mind?
Actually, I live like that. I always say whatever is on my mind, so I will go with it.
It's hard for me.
Like you would be क्या कहेंगे? Deaf, dumb, क्या?
नहीं.
Mute.
मैं blind कर रही हूँ.
You would be mute.
Intelligent people है
मुझे सब पता है.
बताओ mute or just say whatever is on your mind. That would
I
get
think
you in
I'll go
trouble.
with whatever is on my mind because I don't wanna be mute. I like to talk,
Exactly.
but I'm an introvert, so उससे I'm थोड़ा सा confused.
जो भी मुंह में आता है बोल देते हैं.
हाँ,
I will go
तो it's
with
okay. People don't care.
it. I
Doctor don't care.
Mainly I don't care.
हाँ, तो
हाँ.
it's okay. अब कहेगी same.
I don't know what to choose.
Helen Keller का सुना होगा तुमने? She was blind and mute.
हाँ.
Blind and deaf, I guess. Blind and deaf,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
And she wrote a book. और मैं बचपन से यही सोचने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, how is that fucking possible? Would you rather never age or never need to sleep? I need to sleep.
I want to sleep all day and do 46 hours.
Same.
But imagine if you don't ever need to sleep, how much you would get done.
I would never get anything done. मुझे अपना पता है. I would always watch.
And
Disney
if you are
seasons, any
If you think sleep is stopping me from getting anything done, you're wrong.
I don't
And if
know
you are
purpose.
getting good sleep, I don't think you need a lot of things done to you.
Yep. I need my sleep.
Understandable.
Would you rather always dress casually or formally? Always. You have to do it
Dress?
always.
Casually or formally? Formally.
I would go with formally.
That's so hot.
Yep. But that would be
I like being overdressed.
Yep.
Acha, would you rather be able to talk to animals? Yeah, but speak every language in the world. I don't want to talk to
every
humans.
language.
I would rather talk to animals. I have talked enough with these humans. ठीक है, मुझे और नहीं जानना.
Yep.
मेरे को animals से बातें करती
I would speak to animals because I need to know कि वो क्या कह रही है मेरी बिल्ली. I need to know what she's saying.
है ना?
I'll go with I'll speak every language in the world.
You want to know people?
Don't like in
That
that
is a
way,
flex
but
though.
हाँ.
Knowing every language, that is the flex. Like I know everything.
Like when someone tells me I know Spanish or French, I'm like, oh hot.
हाँ.
So in
And
that
you
sense,
knowing every.
हाँ.
Would you rather live without electricity or without water?
पागल है तू? पानी चाहिए मुझे जीने के लिए.
मर जाएंगे.
But
Electricity का
But
क्या
पानी
है?
की जगह
एक घंटे के लिए लाइट जाती है, सिर्फ तो जिंदगी रुक गई है.
यार लेकिन पानी जाता है तो एक्चुअल रुक जाती है ब्रो.
यूपीएस लगवा लेंगे.
No, like the water wouldn't be extinct from the world. मतलब आपके घर में टूटियों से पानी नहीं आएगा. Running water, you wouldn't have running water. Shower.
फिर इजी
हाँ, फिर electricity.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में ले आऊंगी.
Yeah,
बाल्टी भर के ले आएंगे.
Yeah.
Party
electricity because
I'd probably go to someone else's house to shower or something.
yeah.
हाँ?
ये मैंने किया भी हुआ है 2-3
मैंने भी.
महीने. I used to go to people's houses for showers.
क्यों? पानी रुक गया था.
नहीं, मेरा उस दिन का shower गंदा था. So I don't want to take a shower there.
Understandable.
Okay, would you rather have unlimited clothes or shoes?
tough one. Clothes.
No, I would go with clothes.
I feel like I have less shoes than clothes, so given my situation, I would go for shoes.
Me. I'm personal preference.
But then again, I have so many clothes because I love clothes.
Next.
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 Would you rather date someone funny or someone intelligent?
Someone funny or someone intelligent?
Like funny होगा तो
If he's intelligent but not funny,
I'll.
Imagine
It's
Sheldon.
okay.
Imagine living with Sheldon.
low-key, I like Sheldon.
I don't. I kind of
Being intelligent is hot.
Yeah.
Like you are telling
But
me I
then
can
being
do.
funny is so much good to be around, you know.
हाँ. Like
Nahi,
I'm
need,
funny,
I
I-
need me a funny guy. He
I
can,
am
I
funny.
study books and become intelligent.
नहीं, I am funny so I want a
I
intelligent
want an
guy.
intelligent guy.
Same.
Imagine हम मिलके business start करें. We start investing in stocks or whatever.
Imagine
Yeah.
वो
But
at
then
least.
again,
He would be so useful.
you would never be laughing together because
It's
he's not
fine,
funny.
bro. हम memes देख लेंगे.
हाँ.
Memes देख लेंगे. Doesn't matter.
But if he
fine.
doesn't find the memes funny that you find funny.
It's even fine that हम उसके साथ बैठूंगी नहीं. I just need him for a purpose, you know.
You know what? You've convinced me. Like you could be funny for him, you know.
हाँ.
Yep.
Yeah, nahi, I'm going with the intelligent guy. She's right.
Yep.
Okay, would you rather be 10 minutes early or 10
Bro, I
minutes late?
literally have this over here. I've written it too.
Hmm.
10 minutes early, 20 minutes early and 10 minutes late is the question. 10 minutes late, always.
Same.
वो अलग बात है कि मैं होती 40 मिनट लेट हूँ, but yeah.
Yep. She was supposed to come at 12 and guess when she came.
यार सामान ज़्यादा था.
उठाते उठाते time लगा.
हमने भी खा के ला रही थी, पहाड़ पे चढ़ रही थी. सामान ज़्यादा
यार
था.
बस I just can't do it. I don't know why. But what about you guys? Late or early?
I think 10 minutes is not a big deal, so I can. वैसे I hate being late. So मैं हमेशा पूरे टाइम पे पहुंचती हूँ. I'm either late or early. But if I'm choosing, तो फिर I would go with 10 minutes late. 10 मिनट की खैर है.
नहीं, it's 20 minutes late or 10 minutes early.
20 minutes की भी खैर है.
It's not that much time so I'll go with late. I used to be.
At least आते हैं क्या
I
मौका
used
दिया
to-
तुम लोग.
अकेले बैठ के वेट करना
You also
बहुत. I
don't choose.
hate.
मुझे तो पता है मैं तो होती लेट हूँ ना.
I hate
I
waiting
cannot-
alone. मतलब मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ.
Yup.
कोई नहीं आया.
मेरे
कुछ
साथ
नहीं
ये
हो
अच्छा हुआ
रहा.
है. And ये मेरे साथ कब हुआ है? जब मैं इसको
Really?
बुलाती हूँ.
Sorry.
And this is why याद है जब हम Emporium गए थे. I was on my way. बल्कि मैं रास्ते में भी नहीं थी. I was in the salon getting my blow dry. और मैंने तुम्हें बोला मैं पहुंच गई हूँ.
You have to do that, bro. This is what my best friend does
I
to
have
me.
to do.
Bro, people have to treat me that way because यही है तरीका.
Surprisingly,
मैं नहीं निकलती वरना.
मैं नहीं निकलूंगी.
जिंदगी में पहली बार 10 मिनट में पहुंच भी गई. And I was on Canal Road और ये भी पहुंची हुई है.
Surprise!
वहाँ से जाके फोन करिए किधर है. I said I'm pooping. Wait for me.
Liar.
Then she said कि हाँ जब 20 मिनट गुजर गया still hadn't reached. और फिर she said कि किधर है. मैंने कहा मैं नीचे आ गई. कहती रुको मैं नीचे आ रही. Then she went downstairs. I said मैं ऊपर आ गई.
Such a whore.
And then she went up again और तब मैं इंटरव्यू इन्वॉल्वमेंट. I said अच्छा मैं फिर नीचे चली गई.
But this is literally what you have to do if you want me
This
to
is
be
what
on
I
that.
have to do.
You have to be at home and say कि भाई मैं निकल गई हूँ ताकि मैं जल्दी जल्दी करूँ ये वाला.
यही से निकलती है.
Because if you're gonna be honest with me, bro, I am not coming out. It just doesn't happen. It's not that I want to be late, but I just try और वो कभी workout नहीं होता basically.
Okay. निकाल लो कोई क्वेश्चन. तब से मैं पूछ रही हूँ.
मेरे पास है. I thought you just want to do it. मेरे पास तो काफी ज्यादा
Would
है.
you rather be stuck in a comedy or a horror movie?
Comedy, bro. Fuck horror. Are you
Yep.
kidding? I'm not gonna be with Jind Bhoot.
Yes. Okay, would you rather have good hair or perfect teeth?
Oh my
क्या-
god,
क्या
that
क्या
is
क्या
tough.
क्या?
है ना? Would you rather have perfect hair or perfect teeth?
I feel like hair can be like done perfect later on, but teeth अगर
Both things can be done
अच्छा, हाँ,
perfectly
वैसे,
इस
हाँ.
जमाने में, but teeth are expensive.
हाँ.
No, the braces take lakhs.
Yeah, I
But
know
hair
I've gotten
treatments are
them.
kind of very.
घर में भी दही अंडा लगा के
हाँ,
सही
ये
हो जाए.
मेरे ये बाल I used to have curly hair. They were noodles. मेरे बाल जो थे, they were full noodles type. और ये मैंने straight करवाया and it took me like 50k max in over the course of 3 years. अभी तक मेरे बालों में 50,000 लगा होगा. Which is fine. But if I had to do the braces, जैसे
Why
मैं
would you
छोटी
do
बहन
that though? इतने अच्छे लगते हैं noodle hair.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर नीट हो तो वो फ्रीज वाले नहीं प्यारे.
Good, always
नीट
good.
करने का खुद तरीका होता है.
हाँ.
हाँ, but you
Yeah,
have to do them
obviously.
every day. यहाँ फिर वो अच्छे नहीं लगते. I went through it.
एंड व्हेन यू ब्रश देम तो
You
वो
know?
बहुत अजीब से हो जाते हैं. हाँ.
So
I love curly hair.
curly hair हफ्ते में एक या दिन या 2 दिन अच्छे लगते हैं. उसके अलावा you look like an African mom who is divorced. सुनो. ये वही लोग कहते हैं जिनके straight बाल होते हैं. Curly hair looks good.
जाने दे. I don't have straight hair, bro. I do. Last वाला कहते हैं. Let's
हाँ.
wrap this up.
Okay.
Would you rather have a job that you love but makes little money, or a job that you dislike but pays really well?
Dislike.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Me, I would go
Yeah.
with the job I love.
Yeah, yaar, dislike.
it would be
You
fun.
would be miserable, but you'll have enough money.
That's kind of like all the people around
I'll
here.
enjoy
हर
with
कोई
that
यही कर रहा
money.
है.
I'll have fun with that money. और फिर वो सारी मेरी
Which
misery
is
में
kind
भूल
of
जाऊंगी.
convincing because
But I think
आजकल
it's
सभी
very
कर रहे हैं.
exhausting going to a job every fucking day that you feel miserable at. It's not worth the money you're
We've been
making.
going to
it's-
a university for 4 years.
हाँ.
Which we find not
And we didn't
interesting.
even make any money.
And lots of people do it. They go for jobs और वो कुछ नहीं करते.
Hmm.
They don't enjoy it. They don't like it, but they still go.
अगर
That's
मैं
the case now.
अगर
I
मैं
mean,
9 to
I
5
have to
नहीं,
do something I
अगर
love.
But I want to do the job.
Yeah.
I want to do but लेकिन पैसे ही नहीं मिल रहे तो क्या ही करूंगी उस जॉब का.
ये भी है वैसे.
वहाँ खुश होके आ जाऊंगी, घर में डिप्रेस होंगी, हाय अल्लाह ये नहीं खा सकती, I don't have
Because
money.
in this economy,
Right.
हम वो नहीं हो सकते sentimental. We have to be materialistic.
Yep.
Think about it.
You're true. That's right, but then again, mixed scene है bro.
नहीं.
I would go with the job I love.
I think I'll go with I'll go with the job I love and then maybe save up or
Because
something.
passion is what leads you to money.
Yeah.
अब
People have
लेकिन ये तो
done-
फिर एक्स्ट्रा बात की बात होगी ना.
हाँ. But
हाँ,
I'll
अगर
start
You have
with
to
it.
see all the aspects. बात
नहीं
future
नहीं
start with
नहीं, if you gonna make like मतलब थोड़ी मेहनत करके और पैसे आ जाएंगे तब तो obviously I'll go with something.
हाँ,
that I love.
बल्कि this is also good कि like doing a job
have
that
to
you're
wait.
miserable at, but then you're making enough money and then you make enough money to start your own business and then you're doing something you love.
Exactly.
हाँ.
I'm with
Both
you.
can work.
I've changed my side.
Yeah. So
So that's all for today.
Yeah.
And would you rather
Subscribe our channel.
लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें.
प्रेस करना ना भूलें.
और क्या होता था?
बस यही होता.
और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करें. We're done for today. That's all.
See you in our next segment.